Everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can create your own server on Discord app. So for that, just open your Discord account, Discord app on your mobile phone. I hope you can create your account. So once you create your account and now open your account on your mobile app, and now here you can see this will be the display or dashboard in front of you. Now here you are now at the home page. Now in home page you can see at the very left side there are multiple options. Now here you can see the plus option. Click on this plus option. Now here you can see create your server. So click on this create my own server. Now click on this for me and my friends. Now just give a name to your server and upload a picture. After uploading picture and giving name, just click on create server. When you click on this, here you can see it's asking you to share link. So just simply copy this link and just simply click on share link, and it will give you option to share it on WhatsApp, email. So if you can just simply copy this link, or you can see at the top there is an option called skip. You can just simply skip this option and you just simply click on create server and your server will be created.